Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious grilled tuna. First, select fresh tuna steaks, ideally about 1 inch thick, for the best results. Gather your basic seasonings like olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. You might also want to include some fresh herbs or your favorite spice blend to enhance the flavor. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the tuna for grilling. It's important to pat your tuna steaks dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a better sear. Next, brush both sides of each steak with olive oil. This not only adds flavor, but also helps prevent the fish from sticking to the grill. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. It's time to grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat to ensure a good sear. Place the seasoned tuna steaks on the hot grates. For a perfect medium rare, grill each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cooking time can vary based on thickness and your grill's heat, so adjust as needed. Remember, tuna is best when it's still a little pink in the center. Once grilled, remove your tuna steaks and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the fish moist and flavorful. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top adds a bright, zesty finish that complements the rich tuna beautifully. Serve immediately with your favorite sides. Finally, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, and discover other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.